Turn your love for memes into a profitable side hustle. Memes are the language of the internet. With PicturePunches, you can now earn money by simply sharing the memes you love. Unleash your creativity, build a following, and get paid for doing what you enjoy, creating and sharing hilarious viral content. PicturePunches is the platform for turning your meme magic into money. It's accessible globally. Anyone, anywhere can join the fun. PicturePunches is your chance to shine. PicturePunches makes it easy to upload and share your memes. It is user-friendly. Plus, PicturePunches has a mobile app for Android users. PicturePunches app has exclusive features. You can create memes on the go. Sharing with your friends is super easy too. The world of memes is powerful. Memes spread quickly and widely. They connect with people from all walks of life. PicturePunches taps into this power. PicturePunches helps you reach a huge audience with your creations. What are you waiting for? Let PicturePunches be your launchpad to meme fame and fortune. PicturePunches is all about earning through your funny memes. Here's how it works. You upload your memes to PicturePunches platform. Then you start earning money based on the number of views. The funnier your memes, the more views you get. People love to laugh. They will share your hilarious memes with their friends. This will bring you even more views. More views mean more money for you. So, put on your creative hat. Unleash your inner comedian. Make memes that will have people rolling on the floor laughing. Remember, the key to success on PicturePunches is humor. Make your memes as funny as possible. Watch your earnings soar. How do you get paid on PicturePunches? PicturePunches offers several convenient payout options. You can choose what works best for you. PicturePunches has something for everyone. One popular choice is PayPal. It's a widely used and trusted online payment platform. Another option is Litecoin. This is a cryptocurrency. It's a digital currency. Litecoin transactions are fast and secure. You can also choose to receive your earnings through other methods. PicturePunches is constantly expanding payout options. The earning potential on PicturePunches is huge. The top earners on PicturePunches platform are making significant money. Some are even earning enough to make it their full-time job. How much you earn depends on your effort and the popularity of your memes. The sky's the limit. Start your PicturePunches journey today. It's easy and fun. Download PicturePunches app for the best experience. Android users get exclusive features. Start creating and sharing your hilarious memes. You could be the next PicturePunches success story. We love hearing about your success. Tell us how PicturePunches has changed your life. Share your earning stories. Inspire others to join the meme money movement. Let's make the world laugh and get paid for it. Join PicturePunches now and let the meming begin. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos like this one.